So as you can see, these are the sticks that we use to support the comb the last time that we came to do a harvest. These are the old combs that we kept them back in the hive. Today, they are giving us so much honey. So it's very important that when you do your harvest, do your best to keep them, you see. And these are big habitats. They worry the bees a lot. They feed on the comb, and then also they lay their eggs to use the propolis to actually um, protect them from bacterial infections and others. So you can see they are the sticks. Okay. These are all honey. See, these are the sticks we did use to support them. So these are old comb. You can see that it's all filled of sealed honey. See? So it's good that you don't throw away your combs with the brood. You put them back into the hive. We are getting very good honey here. To be honest. Very, very good honey. These are all old combs. Those with the brood we harvested the last time. And these bees never disappointed us. They work hard. These are all the combs. I mean the stakes that we use in supporting it. So you can see this one that the bees even do the honey to cover it. So we have to just take where there's honey out of it. We're taking the honey one out. This one too. We can also take the honey one out. Then we gently have to put back this remaining one in it. The next time when we come again, we're surely going to get honey, as long as the bees lives in the hive. This one is particularly for producing of a new queen. So I think they've done with it. They've produced already a new queen already.